let's work a problem where we're trying to find the slope of a line containing particular points. On that type of problem, you're going to need to use the slope equation, which on the comp exam will be written along with another equation, or at least half of each one will be. It won't have the m equals, but it'll have the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And you're going to use it to find the slope. So we're in need of a y2 and a y1 and an x2 and an x1 to plug into our equation. And so we need to go up and decide which one of these we're going to call point 1. We'll call this point 1. That would make this x1. This will be y1. This is our second point, so this will be x2. 5 will be y2. So now we've got numbers to plug in. Be careful what you're plugging in and where you plug it in. That's where most people make their mistake. So y2 is 5, and we need 5 minus y1. Well, y1 is a negative 1. Put that negative 1 in parentheses so you don't make a sign error. It's another place people make mistakes. Now we need x2, which is negative 8, minus x1, which is negative 2. Again, I'm putting the negative 2 in parentheses so I don't make a sign mistake. So now we just simplify these two. Let's see, we've got 5 minus minus turns into 5 plus 1, and the negative 8 minus minus 2 turns into negative 8 plus 2, because a minus minus turns into a positive. Doesn't always work out that you have these, but pay attention when you do. So now in the numerator we get 6. In the denominator, we'll look at that, we're going to get a negative 6. We need to simplify fractions anytime that we can, and in this case we can simplify these two because 6 over 6 reduces down to 1, but don't lose track of your negative. It's going to be negative 1. Now keep in mind, if you end up with a fraction or a fraction that has a negative number over a negative number, like let's say a negative 2 over a negative 4, that would simplify down to a positive 1 over 2 because a negative over a negative becomes positive.